Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. If you can see the ring light there, then soz. But welcome to today's video. Today's video is a ASOS haul. But first off, if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Matt. Welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe if you like a haul, if you like a come shop with me, if you like a too good to go bag, grocery haul style video, other vlogs. If you like all of that, take a moment to subscribe, ring my bell to be notified of when I upload, and it's free, there's no cost to you. But we are going to go through what is in this big bag. There isn't how many items, 1, 2, 3. I've got my iPad up here which has got the like invoice email on because ASOS don't provide that in the packet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in this big bag, and 2 of those are footwear. So that is why it is so big. But let's get on into it because I'm going to try stuff on as well, hopefully. So let's get on into it. Now I did order this on Sunday, I think it was. Was it Sunday? Moment weakness on a Sunday. Potentially, I think so. Anyway, it's Wednesday and it came today. Sorry about the rustling. And I always order it to my local shop to go pick it up because obviously it's easier because I live on my own and no one's here. And that was free delivery because in total I did spend £76.80, but it would have been £96, but they're 20% off, which meant I got £19.20 off. And I thought I'd film this now because we are coming up to Black Friday and they're likely to have some deals around that time, because a few days before this they had a thing where you could get 25% off on the Friday. I think they had 25% off between 1 and 5, and it went down every a percentage every hour, and obviously I was working and stuff so I couldn't really do it, but I got 20% off and I'm happy with 20% off. And some of these things are repeat purchases, but I'll get on to it. Okay, first item looks like this, in tissue paper. Now, what ones are these? I bought 2 pairs of Chelsea boots. Now, these are a repeat purchase because I already have these ones, but mine are looking a bit worse for wear because I know people have commented on the past about why don't you just buy a more expensive pair, but I feel like because I wear them so much, literally this is the only shoe I wear to work. And mine are fine, at the moment, but if I want to be a little bit smarter and stuff, I would like something that looks a bit more put together. However, I'm not going to wear these until those ones completely go. And literally, they're the only ones I wear to work. I wear them 3 to 4 times a week, every week. So they go, pretty quickly. But these are just and I've got the exact name, ASOS Design Chelsea boot in faux leather with black sole, which is what they are. They look like that as we've got the sticker on the bottom. These are in a true brown colour. These are £30 normally, which is a good price, but they're in the sale at the moment for 18, and then I got 20% off that, so £1.80 times 2, isn't it? So yeah, obviously I got 2 of those. They used to come in boxes, but now they do not. So I guess that's saving cardboard boxes, but I've still got a plastic bag. But anyway, I'm not too fussed about the box. It's kind of good that it doesn't come in a box because I really don't need another box. But anyway, I've got small feet, so these are a size 6. I'm not going to try these on, I don't think, because I know what they're like. I'm just going to put them away for now, so that because I was thinking, I feel like these shoes are going to go, and I do at some point soon, so I thought I'm just going to bite the bullet and buy a new pair. Okay, next up is another repeat purchase. Get the 2 repeat purchases out of the way. These are Pull&Bear jeans. Now, these are in black. I wear my black ones religiously. Literally, I don't know, I'm in a rut at the moment and I feel like I just wear the black ones over and over again. Okay, these look slightly different in terms of they're more I don't know. I will try these on because I think they are slightly different as well from the last pair, because I looked back after I ordered it, did place the order, I looked back in all my orders, of which I've had many since 2017 or something, But these are the Pull&Bear carrot jeans in black. Now the ones I bought previously, which I love and which wear religiously to death, I feel like in the winter, they're the only jeans I wear. And that's why I wanted another pair, because again, I feel like they might wear out at some point and I don't want that. These are originally $15.99, which is such a good price anyway. But I got them for 12 plus 20% off. So £1.20 times 2, which is £2.40, so it makes it, what's that, like under £2, £9.60 for a pair of jeans. So I'm hoping, and I feel like they look okay in terms of width, because I do still like a skinny, to be fair, and if they're black I do as well. And they've just got Pull&Bear written on there. Yeah, I really do rate Pull&Bear jeans. One, the price really good, really comfortable, they fit my shortness, which hopefully these do, because they literally, I do roll them up a little bit, but I don't really need to. So yeah, hopefully they'll fit. I'll try them on now. I am here, but these are the black Pull&Bear jeans on. Now these do fit. I got them in a 30 waist. There is stretch in these, so they will fit. But yeah, these are literally perfect length on me, and these are exactly what I wanted. There's not really much else to say about these, other than that I really do like them, which is why I got another pair. I really recommend Pull&Bear jeans. Definitely they're like carrot fit as well, so that's what these look like. Okay, going on to more, well, they're the repeat purchases, although that one kind of wasn't really a repeat purchase, because as I'm looking on my iPad, it's not quite the exact thing, but I'm hoping it is, and I'm obviously not stopping in between and filming the segments like that. But next item is this, which, let me open it and see, what is it? ASOS Design skinny chino with elasticated waist, I guess, and pin tuck in charcoal. These were originally £22, then were in the sale for £13.50 plus 20% off. Now I was wanting just like a plain pair of trousers that I can wear casually that look smart, because as I was saying, I just wear black jeans religiously, and I feel like I want something else just to wear. Now I kind of threw these in my basket, kind of thinking, I don't know what really, but let's have a look at them. I will try them on. They're just in a nice grey, well, let's say nice, they're in a grey colour, elasticated waist. Now I did get these in a size small, because they've got an elasticated waist, they should fit okay, but we shall see. And they've got a pin down the thing, so I will try those on and you'll be able to see what they look like. So these are the chinos that I've got the elasticated waist on. Now these are actually really good fit as well, and I feel like I could get away with wearing these at work if I just do that and then like do that, and then they're really comfortable as well. I mean, I'm not a super fan of the seam thing, pinstripe pin seam thing, but it's not too bad. They've got chip pockets on the back, and yeah, I think these are actually not bad, and I feel like I could wear these happily casually. Roll up the, I would tend to roll up the this bit, what it is, leg, but yeah, not too bad. Next up, something I'm also quite excited about. I didn't buy any like top things this time, which is like a miracle for me. I normally just buy tops when I buy anything, but this I thought could potentially be really nice. And I'm sorry about the rustling that you just had to sit through. I hope the waist looks okay. These are, they look a bit pajama-y, so hopefully they're not. They're like pinstripe-ish, not really, I suppose, striped trousers really. And these are actually from Topman. I haven't bought anything from Topman in a while. These are stretch skinny. Let's see what they're exactly called. Topman skinny striped trousers with elasticated waist in navy. So I'm hoping these look quite good, because again, I was kind of on the oh, they've got, that is kind of good as well. They've got like a zip up fly, which is good. So hopefully they'll fit nice. God, I can't talk. And on the model, they looked quite cropped as well, which will be perfect for me. So yeah, it was kind of, this is kind of, could wear to work, maybe not, maybe could, not sure. I'm kind of a bit bored of the trousers I wear to work at the moment. So yeah, I thought these were good. Did I tell you how much they were? They're originally £35, went down to £12.50 in the sale, and then I got 20% on top of that. So yeah, we will try those on and see how they are. Now these are a little tight, and they are quite cropped actually, which if I pull these, so I'd naturally probably sit them here, and you know, they are like ankle grazers on me, but I'm not mad at it, to be fair. And actually if I wore them a bit higher, a little bit higher, then they'll work really nicely with the Chelsea boots, which I'll show you in a moment. But yeah, I actually like them, and I appreciate that they've got like a zip fly and everything. So I like these, and a great, like, I don't know, if you want a cropped trouser, and they're not like super skinny or anything, they've got stretching as well, really comfortable. Yeah, and the fact that you've got the elasticated waist with the button fly means they're really easy to get on, because I know when some trousers that I've got in the past that are like elasticated waist don't have the zip up and button fly, so you have to like try and really hike them up, which can be difficult, whereas the button fly makes it a lot easier. Next item looks like this. Now, if you've been on my channel a while, or one, because of the thing I bought earlier, you know I like a Chelsea boot, and I do like a Chelsea boot. And I've kind of been on the hunt for a little bit more of a chunky Chelsea boot. And if you've been on my channel for a while, I did do a haul. When was that? I can't remember when it was, but I did a haul from Zara, and I did buy a brown Chelsea boot, but unfortunately it was damaged, and Zara's return policy is very annoying now as well, because you have to pay for returns, and I did check ASOS, you don't. So I did buy some Chelsea boots. These are much more chunky now. I thought these, if the crop is good on these trousers, I thought that would be quite a good match. Now these are from Pull&Bear as well. I do love Pull&Bear. I've never tried Pull&Bear shoes, footwear, but I have tried Zara footwear, and if you don't know, Pull&Bear and Zara are part of the same group, so hopefully it should be okay. Now these look massive for me anyway. Well, not really, I suppose, but they have, look how they are, they've got a good amount of chunk. I didn't want anything crazy chunky, and I didn't want anything crazy tall, because I normally find that because I'm short and I've got short legs, the taller the boot, it like kind of cuts into you. But I nearly picked up a pair, and I did have them in a basket, and I nearly paid for them, and they were £20 a pair of Public Desire Chelsea boots that looked like this, that had a zip down one of the sides. Now I nearly picked those up. The one thing that stopped me was the like reviews, and some of them said they weren't particularly comfortable, whereas I looked at the looked at the reviews for these, and they said they were comfortable. So I'm hoping they're comfortable. I have noticed there is a little bit of like glue residue here, however, I mean, they're going outside, so you know, but I felt these feel quite heavy as well, like just holding them. And they've got like a little logo thing at the back there, like a jigsaw puzzle thing. I don't even know what that is, but yeah, I got these in a 40, which is the UK 6, which is my size. So I'm going to try these on. I hope this bit at the top here seems quite narrow, so I'm hoping they are good. They're not leather or anything, and they smell a bit plasticky, to be honest. And these were, so originally these were £49.99, so 50 quid basically, and then they went down to £40, and then I got 20% off that, I believe. Just working that out, did I get 20% off? So £9.60, yeah, I would have. So that would make it, so that's £8 off, so that would make it £32 for these, which I don't think is too bad for a good pair of Chelsea boots, which we shall see if they fit nicely. I'm just looking to make sure they've got no scratches on anything, which they don't, but I will try them on and hope they're good, because I feel like these would be a great stomping around boot, and hopefully they fit really nice. So these are the Chelsea boots on, and I would wear them with this because I like the croppedness of these trousers shows them off in a way. And I thought these, when I was getting all the stuff that like keeps them all in place inside, I felt these are going to be so tight to get on, but I was actually very pleasantly surprised. They go on like butter basically, and they make me taller. But yeah, they actually feel comfortable. I would obviously have to wear them and to see, because they do actually come up quite high, which I'm not used to in a Chelsea boot. But yeah, so far first impressions, and I don't know, they give me a good amount of chunk that I was looking for, and they fit. Yeah, they fit quite well, except I do feel like it's hitting me here. Now, whether that will be painful or not, I don't know. I've had Chelsea boots in the past where it cuts you off here and it actually digs in so much, but we shall see. So that was my haul from ASOS today. Let me know if you're planning on buying anything in ASOS in the Black Friday sales and stuff, because they have got some good deals on there, especially if you do get the extra 20% off. And sorry if it's been like, you can hear rain noise throughout the whole video, but I live in England and it rains. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not already, please take a moment to subscribe and ring my bell to be notified when I upload. It's free, no cost to you. If you like to come shop with me or haul, Too Good To Go bag, grocery haul, style videos, stuff like that. So definitely take a moment to subscribe and ring my bell, and also follow my Instagrams, which are always linked down below. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.